are approaching a test, you should be reviewing your notes.
I prepare by reading my book over again. I read over the chapters, I read the notes.
I look at the previous tests if they give them back to you, and I go over them and see if there's like anything that I don't really remember or I'm still kind of confused on, and then I will go to the professor and ask them personally, like, can you explain this more in depth, or if that's going to be on the test, etc.
You should, if you are not understanding the material, make sure that you see your instructor during an office hour. That instructor is the best person to help you in terms of understanding. And many times students don't go to the instructor because they're scared or they're nervous or they would choose somebody else. However, they are your first line of defense.
I'll go through and I'll work on practice problems in the book, or if it's a lot of memorization kind of stuff, I'll either make or look up flashcards online. Quizlet.com is a great resource for that. A lot of times the classes that you're in will already have flashcards made.
Sometimes I will use PowerPoint to sort of make flashcards. I will take one side of the slide and write down like a question, and the other side and write down the answer, and then animate the slides so that you see the question, then you see the answer. Digital flashcards.
I'll make up the kinds of questions I think they'll ask me, and I try and answer them myself. So I go over my notes, I rewrite my notes, and I try and answer and regurgitate all this information that I've learned from scratch instead of just rereading things.
Don't cram. Many students wait until the last minute and then stay up all night and are very proud that they have. However, then they go into the test situation very tired. And again, then you cannot retrieve what you know.
I feel like I'm always most prepared for a test when I start studying for it about 4 to 5 days early, even if it's 10, 15 minutes, even 20 minutes at a time.
Also, make sure that you have done something for stress relief. Maybe you've taken a walk. Maybe you have been with friends, right, before it, and so that helps you relax.
If I can't focus at home, I'll go to Starbucks or come to the library to focus.
I like organizing my study space at home. I actually have my own desk. I make sure to have, that's a good time to charge your cell phone if you need to. Just stay away from like anything that will distract you from studying.